If you love a hot mocha from Starbucks, the white chocolate mocha, you're gonna love this. We'll start first with a cup of milk. I'm gonna put it into the electric milk frother. Now this will do hot foam, cold foam, low foam, and no foam. So I'm gonna use it with no foam today. You can certainly use foam if you want to. I've got some white chocolate syrup. You can use chocolate chips, white chocolate chips if you want to. But if you're gonna do that, you probably would wanna chop them up before you put them in here. So I'm gonna do just 2 tablespoons of the white chocolate syrup, and that's gonna give us our flavoring into the steamed milk. Okay, so while this is happening, I'm just gonna put it on steam. While this is steaming up, we're gonna make the espresso. Now you can use the Nespresso insert that comes with your deluxe coffee machine, but I thought today I would show you how to make espresso with the espresso insert. So you're just going to take some freshly ground espresso. I'm using the espresso roast from Starbucks. I don't know about all of you, but when I smell this stuff, it gets me so excited. So you're just gonna take a level scoop with our scoop and funnel. So you see how I'm gonna slide this and it makes the perfect measurement and there's no mess. So you can just pour it right into your insert. Now your insert comes with this little tamper. You need to put that in, give it a firm press, and you're going to leave it in there while it's brewing. Okay, so it's gonna stay in there, close it up, and now we're gonna put it right into the deluxe coffee machine. So the coffee machine, you need to make sure the handle's closed for it to operate. And then over here, I'm gonna press the button to turn it on. I'm gonna go with 2 ounces and I'm gonna hit the plus sign to make it bold. It takes about 1.5 minutes and then you're gonna have some really beautiful espresso. We are. See that shot of espresso? As it sits, the foam rises to the top. So now we'll take the steamed white chocolate milk and I'm just gonna pour it right over the top. So this isn't frothy, it's just steamed to perfect temperature. Look at that. It's ready to sip just like that, or you can add a little bit of fresh whipped cream just to garnish it, make it extra special. Now, I don't know about you, but when I can pull off a drink like this at home instead of spending too much money on it, it gets me pretty excited. I wish I could have you over for one. This is so good. The deluxe coffee machine makes it easy to make espresso. The frother gets the milk to the perfect temperature, and a little whipped cream is a good way to spoil yourself. Thanks for watching.